team. If you're on the fence about investing in a Flaming Coals offset smoker, but you're not sure whether you're actually going to use it or whether it's too big for what you need, let me show you how you can load it up, cook a whole month's worth of barbecue with minimal effort while still working at home. Here we've loaded the Flaming Coals offset smoker with pork ribs, beef ribs, lamb shoulder and a couple of chickens. And as you can see, there's still plenty of space to add a large pork shoulder or a full-size brisket too. Simply load it up in the morning, set your desired pit temperature with the Tempmaster Pro, and then get on with your day. Once the meat's all cooked, simply divide it up, pop it in some vacuum seal bags in portion sizes, write the date and what the food is, and then throw it in the freezer. Now, as you feel like having some barbecue, all you need to do is pull one of the bags out of the freezer, preferably the night before.
And then, to reheat it, you can put it into a pot of simmering water for about 30 minutes.
You can also do it from being frozen, it just will take a little bit longer. Or if you've left it to the last minute, just chuck it in the microwave. You can enjoy the barbecue just on its own, or you can mix it in a whole range of dishes. So you can put it in tacos, nachos, in your pasta sauce, lasagnas, wraps for lunch. The opportunities are endless. Barbecuing in bulk will not only save you time and money, but you'll always have delicious barbecue at a moment's notice whenever those cravings strike.